Alright boys, so focus our seats apart now. Bumpers off of it, wheels. The axle's about to come out. Dalton is doing his thing right now. Also, we're about to get to the trans. So most of this stuff has to come out, like the intake, the battery box. It's just simple things like that got to come out for the focus to get in place, and the trans mount is right here. We're gonna do that next, and yeah, I think we're gonna get the transmission out in the next couple minutes. You think we're gonna lose some? We're gonna have to drain the transmission fluids out. Yeah. Okay, I got fluids, so.
Oh, cool.
Yep. Yeah, I made sure I got fluids just to make sure, you know what I mean. And yeah, so he's taking out all the wires and stuff like that, basic little things. Wait, the starter gotta come out.
Yeah, starter's gotta come out.
Okay, I didn't know that. See, I learned something new right there. Starter's gonna come out. We like doing so many things at once. Transmission, turbo, blow valve, yeah, a couple things. The front split is gonna come out today. I'm gonna make these videos into like short videos, like 10 to 15 minutes each one of them. Then you guys don't have to sit here and watch like 30 hours of fucking us working on the car. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright boys, so transmission is finally out. Maybe the next thing I'll do is the LSD on the trans. Wait, did the Type R's come with LSD in them?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I'll do LSD next time, split the case, get that done. Trans is out. It only had like 10 bolts, right? Or 8, something like that?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
10 bolts, yep. Transmission had 10 bolts. Came out really easy. I mean, well, the bolts came out easy, but the transmission did not come out easily.
Yeah, it gets caught on the subframe right here.
Yep, it gets caught on the subframe. He's pointing at it right there. It gets caught right down there, and that's the only part we actually faced. And the side right here, and the fender liners.
Yeah.
On the right side.
If we removed the fender liner, probably would have been, but it's flexible enough that it moved out of the way.
Yeah. So yeah, easy out. We're gonna look at the stock train. What you call it? Pressure plate and everything.
You want some light?
Yep. No help. This is. I'll go ahead. Pressure plate and everything. I mean, I don't know. Once we take it apart, I think we'll find out how bad it is. Right?
Yeah. Well, it's weird. It has like some movement. Oh, you see this?
Yeah, I see that. Huh.
I don't know.
Maybe we didn't tighten it up when we put the clutch on it. You know what I mean? Unless something is broken in there. I hope not, at least.
Very strange. I can't wait to get it apart and look at it.
Yeah. So we're gonna figure out why it's moving. Like when he was touching it, you can see it moving a little bit. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of play in it, bro.
Yeah.
There's a lot of play in. That's dangerous. Wow. Huh.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing that. Curious to see what it looks like.
Me too. Alright. So next thing, we're gonna take the pressure plate, everything out, and we're gonna go to the store, get some things, and yeah. Alright, so the pressure plate is out. I'm gonna show you guys the surface of the pressure plate is bad. He can wobble the pressure plate itself. I mean, not the pressure plate, the flywheel.
Yeah.
Look, it's like wobbly. I don't know if you guys can see it. Do it again. See that? I don't know what's going on. If the bolt is loose in there or what. It's not. And it's not looking good. And the surface is like really smooth. It's like a mirror. And all the hot
spots and
this is the pressure plate. And it's bad. And then look at the clutch itself. It's flat. It's like metal. Yeah, it's almost like the rivets, right? Or the whatever these are. Yeah, it's almost over there. It's like flat. Wow, that's bad. Thank God we're doing this, because I'd have probably be slipping bad with a big turbo.
Oh yeah,
really bad. Yeah. So yeah, the clutch is out. I'm gonna go down there and show you guys the bolts for the everything down there.
Could you please tell me what brand you guys have in?
that's heavy.
Wait, you got the light? Can you throw me the light real quick?
Yeah, 1 second.
So this is the motor side of the transmission, and I'm not sure who stripped in the bolt, but it's good. No, nothing really wrong with this side or whatever, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 bolts in there, 6, and there's like 10 altogether that holds the transmission together. But this is the 6th bolt that holds the flywheel, and there's another 6 that holds the pressure plate. So yep, there you guys go. We're gonna install the new pressure plate in a minute, and hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so the ACT clutch is being opened now. Obviously, it comes with instructions. My man said, "Cover the instructions." So that's a beautiful clutch. God. I mean, pressure plate, and that's a straw bearing, right?
Yep.
So, what's different from the stock and the?
This one looks to be all metal and no plastic.
So that's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's actually. If you look at that one in there, I think it's all plastic.
It's all plastic. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see that and compare it. So, this is a throwout bearing, and you can't really see it, but yeah, this is metal, all metal, and that's plastic in there. I'll show you a better video with the lightning. And yep, there's a throwout bearing. There's a pressure plate, yellow pressure plate.
Yeah.
I didn't give me a red one. God.
ACT's always yellow.
Yeah. And what is that?
That's the clutch.
Oh, that's the clutch. All right, Maddie, now come look at this. Since you wanted to see what the clutch looks like, where's the old one? All right, so.
Oh.
What's that?
Flywheel.
Yeah, that's
nice. So, this is the stock clutch compared to this. Look at the tip for the sideways like this. No, like that. Look at the thickness on here compared to this. It's like nothing on there. It's a beautiful clutch. I mean, same size. Yeah. As the pressure. Oh, look, these ones has the spring in them. This one don't. This one is sprung, but this one isn't. Oh, it is.
I think they're tiny springs in there.
Okay, tiny little springs. Okay, so these ones are like heavy looking springs, and has a little ACT logo right there. Cool. What is this?
I think that's lube for.
Yeah.
For the springs?
No, I think it's for the shaft.
Okay, the shaft.
All
Okay.
this stuff.
So.
Yeah. I like grease splines of the disc and slide the new disc on the input shaft to ensure fit and smooth
He's a fucking
travel.
mechanic for real. And then the flywheel goes in here. There's a flywheel. There's the alignment too for the flywheel.
Yeah. Look at this. That's...
Look at how nice this one looks. No heat spots, nothing like that.
That's nice.
Yeah. Is it still heavier?
It's still heavy.
So he's actually greasing out the throwout bearing and just to have it sit clean. I mean, flush kind of. Right. That's what it's going to do.
Well, it's just this metal surface back here, and so like for when, just like a little bit of a, I don't know, just metal on metal. It's not always the best.
Yeah.
Just kind of like a thin surface to sit back there, and then
Right.
well, the ACT actually provided their own grease to apply to the
The
threads.
The threads. Yep.
We could actually use this grease and put it on this part of the shaft.
Yeah.
Because ACT recommended this for the threads, and this will be a little bit more long. Just a little bit. Just put a little bit of grease on there. Not a lot.
Yep. Alright, so right now he's just getting the damn shit out of the box. the grease, yeah. So I forgot to say something. This and the stock one sitting right back there are the same kind of weight, kinda. It's not like a single flywheel, right?
Yeah,
It's
it's
still
still I guess
dual-
it's dual mass.
Dual mass, yeah. It's not a single flywheel, so it's not gonna feel heavier than stock. It will, but not as much. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like
It might have probably like 1 pound off of
the
it.
spring plate
Mhm.
will feel, but the engage, like that'll be like how you have your clutch pedal is and how that engages.
Yeah.
But how the aggressive the engagement is for the and how quick the engine revs, it's still going to be the same.
The same. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good then. Yeah. So I wanted to keep it as close to stock as possible. I was gonna go with the 6-puck. Remember I was telling you?
Yeah.
But I just wasn't sure. I couldn't just wrap my head around it, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I couldn't wrap my head around the 6-puck clutch kit or the organic one, which I feel like the organic one is more like stock feel. You know what I mean? And this way, I don't know. I just had a good feeling about the organic one compared to the 6-puck. So yeah.
We're gonna.
See that? Ooh, look at that. It has a little purple in it. I didn't realize that. I thought it was just black. It might turn a different color after it's like on the car. It's pretty cool. You need it?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay. Sweet. And it has some flakes in it and everything.
Yeah, it looks pretty sick.
Hell yeah. Alright, so he's greasing up the, what is that part of the clutch called?
Just the splines for the clutch.
Yeah. Okay, so just enough grease, then it can like hold in there, I guess.
You gotta think this is a piece that's going to be moving in and out on a surface that is never going to be seen again.
Right.
So I might as well just
grease it up. Yeah, because you're not gonna have a second chance.
Yeah.
Once this shit go in.
And you don't want it to be sticking. So
yeah.
And then like not only are we gonna have grease on here, on these, but we're also gonna put grease on the actual shaft also. So now that's
sweet.
Greased up. We can put the rest of this on up. Wish we had more.
Give me the little ass grease.
Use every last bit of it.
Huh?
Use every last bit of it.
Hell yeah, bro. I'll suck that thing out for you. No homo. Alright, so now he's putting the throw bearing in there. Wait, you forgot something. Get it out. Real quick.
What did I forget?
This plastic piece on the end.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull it out of here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was you had to pull it out first. But alright, so it's gonna go in there. Boom.
Yeah, we don't need. There's no Loctite on this. You should probably look at the torque for this though, just in case.
So the throw bearing needs torque down to 11 newmeters, right?
Yep.
So yeah, 11. Where does that say that? Oh, it says on the other paper, right? Oh, we looked it up actually.
Yeah, we looked it up.
We looked it up, so just in case you guys want to know what it is. So now what he's gonna do is spray with some brake dust cleaner or something like that.
Because it has oil on it.
Oh, he's gonna make it slip, right?
What?
Would the oil make it slip?
Yeah, the oil will make it slip really bad.
Yeah, so he's wiping it down. So what happens if the oil would have got stuck on it and the heat wouldn't the heat melt it?
Pretty sure your clutch would probably just, because it would probably, depending on how much oil that was actually on here relative to the clutch, probably would have soaked into it.
Damn.
Probably, but it wouldn't have been a good outcome.
Right. So just in case you guys are wondering what the ACT and the stock one looks like, obviously the stock one is heavier than the ACT. I want to say this is probably like 30 to 28 pounds, 25 maybe.
Probably something like that.
20 something, yeah. And this is probably
I don't know.
19 or 18 pounds, I want to say. It's pretty light, but it's not as light, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
and the inside, you want to explain the inside to them?
Well, like this would be a single piece flywheel, and then this would be a dual mass, which actually has weights inside of it, which will help ease the clutch engagement with the pedal feel.
Right.
So.
And the inside, this one is flush. It's kind of like flush.
Yeah,
and this one
hollow, and it
hollow
has
inside.
the offset, so
I'll show you the
flush.
angle so you guys can see it compared to this one, you know.
And this one has like that plate that was able to move. And
yeah, this one, the plate was kind of like wobbling inside. You guys saw it earlier when he was like messing with it.
I don't know what the point of that plate wobbling is. I've never seen that.
I never seen that in my life either, bro. But yeah, this is the dual versus a single. Just wanted to show you guys.
That'd be dual mass in this.
Yeah, this is dual and this is single. I just wanted to show you guys the difference so you guys know exactly what's going on. So you guys can see tightening it right there. 6 bolts on there. Flywheel's going on now. I don't think the camera will be able to catch. Oh, there we go. It catches it. Okay, so it says flywheel side. That's the side that's gonna face towards the flywheel.
So it's gonna go in the car like this, and then this will go in there.
Yep. There we go.
Would you be able to get it from the top if I could?
Yeah, yeah.
We put the flywheel on and torqued it to. What was the
For what?
The flywheel. What was the torque of the flywheel again?
It was 113 Newton meters.
Yeah, 113, 112.
Which is like 84 pounds, 83 pounds. Foot-pounds of torque.
Yep. All right, that's in.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, we're good.
Good. I think you do that with the pressure plate on it too, or not?
Yeah, we're gonna have to put the.
Or pressure plate from behind it.
Yeah, we have to put the pressure plate.
Oh, let me get it. You don't
Oh,
gotta come out,
sorry.
bro. You just need to rip it apart, bro. Just stick it out.
This should stay.
All right, boys. So I'm down here, and the clutch is in there, as you guys can see it. Boom. It looks pretty cool. I mean, little yellow clutch. I'm gonna take a nice IG photo and nice Instagram photo for myself. And yeah, so the clutch is in there, torqued down to 24. It was right, 24 foot-pounds for the pressure plate.
Yep.
83 foot-pounds for the flywheel, and you align it with alignment tool, whatever. Sitting there pretty cool and clean and nice little yellow Lamborghini kind of look. You know what I'm saying? I'm just fucking with y'all. But all right. I know I didn't really go into details with the whole thing because it's, you know what I mean, I gotta help him. I can't just have him do every little thing, you know what I mean? So there's not a third person here to help us do it, but there is the clutch and it goes in, and all you have to do is do the same thing you did to take it out to put the damn transmission back in there. I'll catch you guys in the next episode of us working on the charge pipes and the turbo.